Owner-operators, if the truck isn't making what it should, it's not always the market. In many cases, the problem is load management, not low-paying rates. Here's what separates struggling trucks from consistently profitable ones. 1. Stop driving empty. Running empty after a delivery is one of the fastest ways to lose money. The key is pre-planning the reload, before the first load is ever delivered. Pairing outbound and return lanes keeps the truck moving and revenue consistent. Even if the return load pays less, staying loaded protects the bottom line. 2. Avoid broker delays. Time spent waiting on a broker is time lost forever. Successful operations partner only with brokers who move fast and communicate clearly. Pre-booking loads at least a day in advance helps avoid costly downtime and keeps the schedule tight, because a parked truck isn't a profitable truck. 3. Stabilize weekly income. Inconsistent paychecks are often the result of inconsistent freight. Smart dispatch strategies combine high-paying lanes with routes that deliver steady volume week after week. The goal isn't chasing the biggest load, it's building predictable cash flow that sustains and grows the business. Trucking is a business, manage it like one. When load planning is intentional, every mile pays. Want more strategies like this? Tap follow and stay ahead of the game. Smart dispatch equals strong revenue.